This Labour Welsh Government has burdened schools with, and I quote from Estin's report, inconsistency and mixed priorities, while simultaneously failing to set clear national expectations about what children should be achieving and when, in reading and writing in both English and Welsh and in mathematics. And teachers' training is not giving our teachers the skills they need to teach literacy and numeracy with confidence at either primary or secondary level. We aren't setting benchmarks for age-appropriate levels of literacy and numeracy, and we're not collecting the right data to measure students' progress against these targets. Conference, this simply is not good enough. We need a reset. We need, dare I say it, to get back to basics so that every pupil leaves school with the foundational skills they need to get ahead in life. Dyna pam y bydd Llywodraeth Plaid Cymru yn blaenoriaethu, fel dyn ni wedi clywed gan rhywun yn barod heddi, gwell safonau yn ein hysgolion ni. A dyna pam y byddwn ni'n cyflwyno cynllun rhifedd a llythrennedd sylfaenol newydd. A bydd y cynllun hwn yn gosod canllawiau clir i'n athrawon ar beth ddylen nhw fod ni ddysgu i'n plant a'n pobl ifanc a sut i wneud hynny. A byddwn nhw'n sicrhau y bydd bob plentyn yn cael ei addysgu i ddarllen gan ddefnyddio ffoneg synthetig, y safon y cytunwyd arno'n rhyngwladol ar gyfer addysgu llythrennedd.